YouTube.
This is TeamVargo.
Today we're making slime. We are making slime because of Valentine's Day.
The ingredients are mix 1/2 cup glue with 1 cup water.
In a different bowl, mix 2 teaspoons borax with 1/3 cup warm water.
We chose pink because it is close to Valentine's Day.
We were deciding to give out pink slime for our Valentine's Day gifts. Here is what the finished product looks like. It is feels like slime but thicker, and is
Very fun to play with.
not too stretchy, but it does work like slime. It feels good like slime. It basically feels like slime, but as you can see, stretchy. So that is our slime video.
Bye.